Hello guys, welcome to History of Bits. In this video, we are going to see about how to plot 2, 3 or more than one graph in a single figure. So a figure is this one, like this 10 to that 10. This is a figure. This plot height is 400, this width is again 400. So we can plot many graphs in a single figure. Let us see in this video how to plot those type of things in Bokeh Python. Okay, hello guys, welcome to History of Bits. It's me Sanjay. This is interactive data visualization Bokeh video 5. If you have not subscribed my channel, go and subscribe it. Okay, let us import. Let us do some importing things from all of our videos. Okay, yeah, here we imported our things. Okay, now let's run our output notebook file. Okay, now Bokeh JavaScript is successfully loaded. So let us have some data. I copied some data from, okay, let me type it. So x, let us plot something like square and circle in a single plot. So square 20, 5, 15, 4. Okay, okay, now y square, it will be 4, 10, 3, 17. Okay, that's our y square. And now we need to plot circle also. So our circle data, so it will be 16, 8, 24 and 4. On our y circle, okay, I don't get any data points. Let me think it. Okay, 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, let's go to the next cell. So our figure, let me take figure as p. P means picture. So both are same only now, figure and picture. So now let's put a title. Title equal to what will be our title? Square and circle. Okay, I'm not focusing customizing things, I'm just focusing about the graph. Plot height 400, plot width 400. Okay, now p dot circle equal to, oh sorry, it's a function, not a variable. X equal to x circle, y equal to y circle, and let us given size equal to 12, color equal to, let's put green, alpha, we need an alpha, or don't need, if you need you can put 0.6, 6 is enough. Okay, now again p dot square, x equal to x square, y equal to y square, again size equal to 12, color equal to green, sorry, I will take this as red, and alpha equal to 0.5. Here not in the parenthesis or quotation, it's a numerical value, not a string. Okay, let's now show our See here, circle and square both are in the same plot. We can add extra anything. So we will add line x equal to, I will put some 20, 30, y equal to 10, 5, and color equal to navy, and alpha equal to 0.7. So let me print it. See here our line, it's too small, no? Okay, but it plotted. We can add diamond also. Let me change it to diamond. Okay, 20, 40, 10, 15. So totally 4. Okay. 5, 10, 17, 19. Here our diamond also, I will change the color to navy. Let's change to pink. It was not clear. I am changing the color of that square. Now I will change it to yellow. Hello, CSK. Oh, we can't see that yellow. Let's change the color to something which is more interesting. Orange. Yeah, now we can see it. I will reduce the alpha to 9. Yeah, we can see that diamonds are there. Okay, let me increase the size to 20 so we can see it clearly. See here, both are, everything are different graph, different data sets. They are showing that in a single figure. So I hope you understand. If you have any doubts and concerns, please do in comment and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video, guys. Bye bye.